In this video, we will be showing you how to make valve adjustments on a boom mower. Hydraulic adjustments should be done in the field by the operator, not by a dealer technician in the yard. The operator will want to gradually adjust settings to their own preferences over the course of many hours of mowing. Baumalight will not cover time taken by dealers to diagnose and adjust hydraulic settings. Before making adjustments, make sure to shut off the engine of the skid steer and remove the key. To adjust the holding force on the cylinders, you will need to adjust the counterbalance valve. This valve will be to adjust the tilt cylinder. This valve will be to adjust the stick cylinder. And this valve will be to adjust the boom cylinder. The adjustment knobs could either be in the front or the back. To adjust these valves, loosen the slot knob, and if the cylinder is having trouble holding its position, turn this valve clockwise until the cylinder holds its raised position. Going too tight will raise the required pressure to move them down. Going too loose will allow them to sag. Turn this screw on the main valve to adjust the flow. Adjusting the flow determines how much oil is sent to the cylinders and the rotor. If more oil is sent to the rotor, that means the cylinders will be slower. And if more oil is sent to the cylinders, it will mean the rotor will be slower when operating the cylinders. The typical setting would be a 5/8 turn out from the closed position. If you have trouble lifting the boom, then tightening the relief pressure can help. To adjust the pressure relief, adjust this screw. A 1/4 turn out from the closed position would be around 3000 psi. Keep in mind the relief must be set lower than the skid steer relief. If you have this relief set at or higher than the skid steer relief, then it will slow down the motor on the rotor when the cylinder is deadhead.